We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on any smart TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you then can't use the internet. We're keeping this guide broad so you can follow along with your TV. So to go and get started, you want to go up and open your settings. On this TV, they're in the top right, so we can go and find them and open them. We've managed to go and fix this before. Come down to device preferences or maybe general on your TV, and you want to go and find the option for date and time. Click there, press automatic date and time, and you want to make sure you press use network provided time, and then it will automatically be set. Go back and see if it solves it. If it doesn't, you want to go and press the power button on your remote and turn off the TV. Switch it off and unplug it. Find the power button on the TV itself and you want to press and hold it for a minute. When that time passes, release and plug the TV back in. When it comes back on, come back to your settings, the network and internet. See if it's now solved. If it still isn't, go and click on it like this. Scroll down and you can select forget network and confirm your decision. Go and try reconnecting to it. Hopefully that fixes it. If it still doesn't work, test it on another device. And if that still doesn't work, then what you should do is contact your ISP.